Hi, Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Well, we're looking at the lightning product here from Blitzertongue, which tracks and locates and plots thunderstorm activity. There's 155 within this box of recent lightning strikes, and this is now moving into the LA basin. Fairly impressive with a wave after wave of a series of El Nino storms headed for California. They track especially off the coast. Of course, they affect interior sections as well, but the main energy seems to be headed towards Southern California with a couple different bands or lines of thunderstorms. Let's take a look at what looks like as we get a little bit closer here in a little bit finer detail. Okay, this is the greater LA area, Long Beach, Los Angeles, Ontario, Riverside, Palm Springs, on the other side of the San Jacintos, and so forth. Big Bear up here. Anyway, we have over towards Santa Barbara a pretty tremendous, pretty substantial thunderstorm activity. This is one of them moving on through. Now getting into the Santa Clarita, just across Interstate 5, up toward the Grapevine. This is up near Sandburg. Anyway, that's a fairly serious thunderstorm moving on through the region. It is producing a fair amount of lightning. Thunderstorm at Santa Barbara, Ventura, Oxnard, and so forth. It's probably producing some wind damage, it looks like, in this particular vicinity as well. These thunderstorms are not very common. They're fairly rare, but as we'll zoom out here, you can see just a ton of them going off the Pacific coast here. Just take a look at that. That is pretty phenomenal as we zoom out and look at the visual. Now these are all cumulonimbi with anvils. You can see as they get closer into within radar range, start to depict where the big storms are. But look at all these. These are out to sea quite a ways, well off Northern California. This is some mighty cold air over some Pacific water that's relatively warm. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.